Give me some guitar, K. Lloyd. Yeah. I like that. Keep it going, man. Rock and roll, baby. Yeah, we gonna get real drunk to this one. So, if you don't wanna get knocked over, get the hell out the mosh pit, baby. Cause we about to go. Okay, I like big booty bitches rapping in Leonard Skinner. Cases of beer, cold as a Kansas City winter. Drink to get drunk and find a chick and put dick off in her. Then make her take me shopping for kicks at Harold Pinner. My family gave me rock, my family gave me rap. The streets gave me guap, the streets gave me straps. Black bitches fuck me, white bitches love me. Trust me, I do them both at the same time. Rough as rugby, do them both to Bon Jovi and then to Public Enemy. Energy in me definitively, I'm on Hennessy, then I'm on Jimmy B. I used to have red spikes at raves, then turn around having blue and red. Fights with K's, your parents got a cold shiver. Cause a pot of gold hit a father gorilla, that's $1 gold getter. And he's an awesome flow spitter. Your daughter goes with a guy who loads Millers. Why? Cause I'm a rock and roll nigga. They don't understand me, God naturally tanned me. You don't like it, I can be a nigga. Rockin' 600 diamonds, black and white bitches crying when they eyes hit this rock and roll nigga. And I ain't changing, got my Slipknot banging, and I swear to God I ain't never ever giving up. Fried chicken wings and Coors Light, nigga, what? High school hung with a white boo-ha. Came home, then I went straight to Juma. Then after that I put back on my red Puma. Then rockin' a chick the same height and color as Uma. And we get the lead out to Zeppelin, we blow the bed out. Got a call from one of the homies in trouble, so yo, we spread out. Got to the hood and found a rival, we took his head out. We had to show the evil motherfuckers what that red bout. Until we find them killers, you know we will search for those who killed first, we gon' let the steel squirt. And this mentality's valid because we real hurt. To ease the pain, I listen to Getty, Alex, and Neil Peart. Growing up it was a chore, cause I gravitated toward stuff the homies ignored. Like tripping off bad brains, went on my skateboard. Even more, name my gangster rap label after the door. Cause I'm a rock and roll nigga. They don't understand me, God naturally tanned me. You don't like it, I can be a nigga. Rockin' 600 diamonds, black and white bitches crying when they eyes hit this rock and roll nigga.